अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 27 दिसंबर को पार्क प्राइम में संपन्न किया गया। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
Participating in today's unique business meeting. Before we begin, just a few special announcements today. Please mute your mobile phone and keep it aside. Myself, Rizwan Moja, and as President, my role is to chair the meeting, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by ABC, which will help us to maximize our business. To introduce the following people so that everyone knows who they are. On our head team is Mr. Rajesh Sethi, our Vice President.
Members.
Good evening.
I am Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. Satish Lapotiaji.
On our leadership team is our Secretary, Mrs. Sweetie Masi.
I'm now going to give a brief detail about the rules each member has to follow for January 2025 in ABC. Members should give reasons for being absent and one can't have more than 3 absences in 3 months and no continuous 2 absences. In case of more than 3 absences in a quarter, his or her category will be made open and subsequently he or she will be removed from the chapter. Dress code should be strictly followed and should be formals only. It will be 4800 quarterly, that is for 6 meetings. The rule which we had followed earlier as well. For 6 meetings, a member will be required to be the same in the first meeting itself. He will not be given food coupons if he or she has not been if he, her or her, he or she have actually participated in membership presentation.
Membership come हो जाती है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, but we want to ID number we take no problem.
Role is to manage finance of the chapter. Points: 1 1-to-1 5 points, 1 referral 5 points, visitor 10 points, 1 business close 10 points, 1 corporate meeting 50 points, 1 new member induction 50 points, 1 1-to-1 conclave 100 points, 1 KYM 100 points.
Integrate completed successfully 47% group to Baku.
প্রতিষ্ঠান মানুষ কাজ কর্মচারী বিষয়ক পরামর্শদাতা।
Archana Patubia, delighted to introduce you to Ayushi collection. At collection, you will get all types of jewelries for all your needs.
अनुराग कुमार तिवारी, पूरा नाम गणपति डेकोर कंपनी का नाम।
Something from the gallery and hampers, stationery and gift, all types of gifts.
Good evening.
My name is Tulsia, practicing company secretary and deputy secretary. Nita Das and I am working with Tata Reali Life Insurance.
Wishing you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I am Rakesh Misra, your life insurance advisor.
Video designer Richa Muzati.
The new year comes with new hopes. Terry Bakchi from Astral Studios helping you towards these new possibilities through our advertisements in all mediums, still or video.
So Rakesh is from famous homestay Gangavita Namur.
Wishing everyone Merry Christmas and Happy and prosperous New Year. LIC Aditya Kasera, associated with LIC of India as an insurance advisor.
Christmas. This is Sangeeta Ganeriwala and I deal in bed sheets.
Sajjan Agarwal, your Vastu advisor.
अभी आने वाले समय में सब कुछ डीमेट होने वाला है। इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज भी डीमेट में आने वाली है। गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस कर रही है। हम लोग आपको डीमेट अकाउंट खोलने में हेल्प करेंगे। मेरी तरफ से जितनी चेष्टा करूँगा कि आप सुमन और केवल जो डीमेट है करना सारी करना।
My name is Mohit Soni, founder of Monk Monday, a digital marketing company. So सभी रेजोल्यूशन ले रहे हैं, so I thought मैं आप सबको एक और रेजोल्यूशन दे दूँ और आप लोगों को मतलब खुद रेजोल्यूशन लेने की जगह I would give you a New Year gift. So my New Year gift for all of you would be I have thought this just right now and thought to provide you guys because I have been lately coming so late these days. So my New Year gift for all of you will be I will provide my social media growth services at flat 50% off.
Engage in insurance business. If I am not able to
do one-to-one or get a refer, but I try my level best not to leave a single meeting in a whole year.
Business of Teachers Manufacturing, and we manufacture t-shirts customized for corporates, for individual business houses, as well as for individuals.
शुभेंदु भैया, कंपनी नाम तुलसी बेट्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड.
My name is Rajan Paul, representing my firm, Isartic Automation.
Hello, a merry evening everyone. The season for Northeast Holidays and Tangy Oranges is back. I am Urvi Rajan from Happy Sense that all of you know. More Delhi products. To be committed to the ABC business route to make it the best in Kolkata.
Myself, Nayan Mukherjee, your stockbroking partner for your chapter.
So this is Sumit Sabu representing my 15-year-old real estate company, Sabu Realtors.
कल भीड़ में हम हो न हो गर्दिश में लाते रहेंगे सदा चाहे मैं एबीसी में रहूं या ना रहूं. Thank you and a big gratitude to 2024 and to my ABC family for always being with Arya Jewels and trusting us for your jewelry partner. My resolution for 2025 for ABC East is that we'll try to create a business for me as well as for my family members, ABC family members, and from
Rajiv Sikri, Vastu and Numerologist Consultant. For resolution 2025, I will pass 25 lakhs of business to fellow members, 21 referrals and 5 conversions, to at least 5 corporate power dates with chapter members, 5 testimonials, and a new concept as we do one-to-ones. So my idea is me too, you too.
Representing my brand Desi. It's a premier partner for unforgettable culinary experience. First, every weekend is tailored to exceed your expectations. We assign few roles in ABC and make sure that I will perform well and meet all your expectations because KYM and corporate will get it done properly.
I don't want to tell anything about business now. After so many days, if I have to tell about my business, then something is wrong in me. I am coming straight forward to my resolution. Induction of 6 members down the line within 3 months. 24 one-to-one in 6 months. And I will try, and I mean it, I will try to ensure 90% of the members present here to get business from my hand. Thank you.
Friends, good evening. Myself Satish Rakotia from Larika State Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. My new year resolution will be I will try and give maximum business to members and especially new ideas so that they can increase their business and at least 6 members, new members in the first quarter. Thank you.
Our mission is simple, and that is to create a greener tomorrow by crafting sustainable and institutional essentials like recycled vegetable pencils, cheap pencils, pens, and notepad. So let's write a future that cares for the planet.
One with Shailesh passed 20% business to Ashish Khanna.
Rakesh Reset and business 2 lakh plus.
Attended the extended headboard meeting. I'd like to explain something more active.
Business to Maruti tables and Bindu tables Bindu tables.
One-to-one with Ramesh Mundra and get business of 2.5 lakh.
Thank you. With Manish ji and Luigi and one reference show.
One with Shubhendu Bhaiya, business given is 2 lakhs, a small business given to Ankit Mano. The business given is around 5.2 CR.
Any of the activities because of a medical emergency going on at home?
And business received amount 1 lakh.
There was no activity this last quarter.
One with Amanat and one reference given.
One-to-one with 6 people in one day. And gave business to Adish Bharyaji of around 1 lakh.
One done with Ankit ji, business given how to be great for the future.
Received business of 7,500 from Pankaj ji and
Single business from Ramdhya 8300 and Rakesh from 280. Thank you, Sajanji.
Ashish Chatterjee 51,000, Resist Finance Stock 20,000.
20,000.
Business to RKC 15,000, RP 6,000, LSC 4,000. And thank you note of around 110,000 to RKC and 9,600 to LSC. Business of Alina.
This is to Jaydeep Ji for rupees 4,400 and rupees 6,000.
Done one-to-one with Surajit Agrawal and Poonam Chatak. Given business of 70 lakh to Poonam Chatak and expecting business of around 10 crore from the deal which powered it, which we have done with Surajit Agrawal. Thank you.
One with Urvi Rajaji and given business to Manoj Chandler 25,000. Thank you.
Unfortunately, meeting could not happen, so no activity.
One-to-one transport. Business received from Aditya Ji, Amrita Ji and Sangeeta Ji and the chapter. Thank you.
Out of the 5.2 crore business of Rakesh Ji, I only received the business of around 5 crore from Rakesh Ji.
3 1-to-1 and business given to Manoj Tewans 1,25,000 and Neeraj 5,000.
जिसको जितने का बिजनेस मिला है उतना महीना उसको कंपल्सरी मेंबरशिप का पैसा होना पड़ेगा. Hereby going to have an additional by our business driver Mr. Rishi Agrawal on the role of coordinator. How effectively a coordinator can play his role to perfection. Let's welcome Rishi and Vaisali to take an additional on the stage. Request every coordinator to listen to him. जिनको जो role दिया गया है, try to perform that role effectively.
So I'll start with something. 51% according to the data is people who are just sitting in the middle and they just go with the flow. So now we all have to decide. Goal is to ensure that the meeting is conducted smoothly. इनका काम शुरू होता है अगली मीटिंग का काम आज से. When आज का मीटिंग खत्म होता है इनका काम वहां से शुरू होता है. इनको मेंटेन करना है कि ऑल थिंग्स आर प्रॉपर इन प्लेस. हमारा जो भी आगे का 30 सेकंड्स है या कोई भी इवेंट है या कोई भी हमारा एक्टिविटी है उसका प्रॉपर ड्राइव हो रहा है चैप्टर में. शी हेड्स, इन आवर केस शी हेड्स द होल थिंग. मीटिंग का डेकोर कैसा है, फूड कैसा है, मीटिंग में एनर्जी है कि नहीं है. शी इज सोली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ब्रिंगिंग द एनर्जी इन द मीटिंग.
देखिए मेरा काम है सबसे पहले तो चैप्टर को सेटअप करना. वो सेटअप हो चुका है. राइट. अब आप लोग का काम चालू होता है. मैं तो सजेशन देने के लिए, इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए सबके लिए तैयार हूँ और जहाँ जहाँ मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट है वहाँ पे हर काम करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. लेकिन आप लोग का ड्यूटी बनता है कि आप लोग ईच मेंबर कम से कम 2-3 मेंबर न्यू लाएं और एक अच्छे ग्रोथ की तरफ जाएं हम लोग और क्वालिटी मेंबर्स लाएं. मेन काम है नए सजेशन देना और किसी को कोई भी तरह की बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट की आइडिया लेनी हो या कोई बिजनेस को डेवलप कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस करते होंगे तो आपके मेरे से डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. I can share my experience.
When I started my company 12 years back, Isatec is a government registered brand in gate automation and safety solution. We have basically 3 verticals: safety, security, and automation. We have 6 type of gates: sliding gate, swing gate, ring of gate, and customized design. Sliding gate and sheet manufacturing company GRSC Limited. It can be operated by remote. You can operate this type of gate from your car also. We have installed automatic swing gate at Tata Steel coal verification plant. This is our automatic. Every MP, MLA, VVIP vehicle using SRK RFID tag. Kolkata Vidhan Sabha